Okay, so I have a 2015 Yukon, and I went ahead and upgraded the light bulbs to have LEDs. Here's before and after. Okay, so this big plastic cover has to come off. You can see I already took the clips off. Here's how you remove each clip. Pull up on this center part. And then remove both parts. Done. The driver's side is a lot easier. Go ahead and remove this cap. Then go ahead and twist the bulb out. I filmed this with the lights on, so you can see, but you should definitely turn the lights off. This thing's hot. So here's my new bulb. It's a little bigger than the old one, so it was kind of hard getting it in. I got mine on Amazon. Okay, so that's the driver's side. Pretty simple. If you want to do the high beams, they're just below those H11s. I did them at this time, but I didn't actually film it. Now, on the passenger side, you can see there's a lot of things in your way. This is why we had to remove those clips in the first step. This air cleaner has to come out. So remove the screws. Go ahead and unscrew this bolt. I just loosened this bolt. I didn't actually remove it. Scoot this over. Remove the top. I just kind of pushed it to the side. This is the hardest part. You kind of got to wiggle it out, and it feels like you're going to break it, but be real careful. The rest is just like the driver's side. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. See ya.